Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and I'm gonna make another video of me cleaning this sandstone just to give you a different angle, a different view. I'm gonna be right up here. I can put the camera right there and y'all can watch the transformation as this goes. I'm gonna be using a pump up because sandstone is a very soft medium, so I'm treating it like I would stucco with essentially a roof type mix, and just dwell time and light rinsing. But anyway, join me as we clean these columns from this angle on this beautiful patio. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. And there we go, nice and beautifully clean. Looks like they just installed it, aside from the cracks that I can't do anything about. But on clean wise, all the mold, all the mildew, all the organic, inorganic stains are gone. This will stay clean for a very long time, and whenever they need it done again, we'll zip in and take care of them. If you've got this at your home, give us a call at 615-405-8731 and we will get you taken care of the same way we got these folks taken care of in beautiful beautiful Noreen area of town. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.